Hello everybody, my name is Dave, and this is my Romulan warbird from Playmates, and I got this from the Salvation Army up the street, along with the Klingon battle cruiser. But unfortunately, my Klingon ship works great, but my Romulan warbird even though there's no batteries inside of it, yes, and I've replaced the batteries about several times, the ship will not function for some reason. So, if anybody sees this video, please get a hold of me and talk to me so I can figure out how to get the sound and the lights for the nacelles to rework. I would very much appreciate it. I would love to get this baby back to functioning very well. Thank you. This is Dave Rechtenwall signing off.